time my head off then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright, excuse me. We're on the road to Newport, Tennessee show. Got Team Man last, Sterling right there. Sterling, I know Sterling. Glad. Right there. And then, of course, we got mine right there on the road. We're going to cut it in a minute when we get where we're going.
Alright, we're almost in Knoxville, Tennessee. So, there's a little bit less than what we got. How long we got? About an hour? We got about an hour out. We're gonna do a little small little time lapse with y'all, I guess. And of course, then y'all know we'll cut it to it. We're gonna let y'all ride and hear, you know, hear nothing the whole time. So we're on the way to Team High Voltage show. Like I say, I try to bring y'all a little something different, make the content different a little bit every time if I can. So y'all stay tuned. What kind of amp you get on?
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.